What if you could slow aging with ingredients in your kitchen? In this video, you'll discover 10 anti-aging supplement recipes that nourish your skin, boost your energy, and protect your body, naturally. Let's start with the Collagen Glow Smoothie. Combine half a banana, half a cup of strawberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a scoop of collagen peptides, and a cup of almond milk. Blend it up. This beauty-boosting blend promotes firm skin, supports joints, and hydrates from the inside out. Next, the Vitamin C Skin Elixir. Mix the juice of 1 lemon, 500 milligrams of vitamin C powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of honey in warm water. It fights free radicals, brightens your skin, and boosts immunity. This tiny green shot is packed with power. Mix 1 teaspoon spirulina, 1 teaspoon wheatgrass powder, juice of half a lime, and a splash of coconut water. It detoxifies your body and floods your cells with nutrients. Turmeric golden milk is a classic. Heat your milk of choice and stir in 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. It's anti-inflammatory, supports brain function, and helps you sleep better. Feeling foggy? Try this brain boost blend. Stir together half a teaspoon lion's mane, half a teaspoon ashwagandha, and 1 teaspoon cacao powder in warm almond milk. It sharpens memory, lowers stress, and keeps your mind young. Make a youthful antioxidant bowl with half a cup blueberries, acai puree, a tablespoon flaxseed, and a scoop of marine collagen. Top with granola. These superfoods combat skin aging and nourish your hair and nails. Hydrate your cells with the hyaluronic acid mix. Juice half a cucumber, add the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and a serving of liquid hyaluronic acid. This keeps your skin plump and your joints flexible. Chocolate cravings? This shake has benefits. Blend 1 tablespoon of cacao, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 teaspoon of maca powder, half a banana, and oat milk. It balances hormones and supports collagen naturally. Brew a detox and repair tea using dandelion root milk, thistle and goji berries. Add a drop of liquid zinc for extra cell repair. This supports your liver and renews your skin from within. Finally, the Matcha Collagen Latte. Whisk together 1 teaspoon of matcha, 1 scoop of collagen, half a teaspoon of MCT oil, and warm almond milk. It fuels your energy, burns fat, and supports skin health. These 10 anti-aging recipes are simple, natural, and powerful. Try one each day to start your transformation from the inside out. Save this video, subscribe for more wellness hacks, and share it with someone who deserves to feel youthful too.